Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best hand planers you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best hand planers in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Porter PC60 THP Cable Hand Planer. This Porter is an affordable brand, which heavy-duty 6-amp motor that has a 16,500 RPM that is good enough for any sort of domestic projects. This handheld planer has better performance regarding edge chamfering jobs as it has 3 chamfering grooves to get the job done. The 6-amp hand planer provides smooth cutting in hard materials. This planer has a dual-side dust extractor that allows the flexibility to place the dust extraction on either side of the tool to keep the work area clean. The overmold depth knob offers 10 positive steps which allow for better planer control and multiple depth control settings, along with 3 chamfering grooves for options on edge chamfering. An 11.5-inch cast aluminum shoe provides added control and better finish quality. Our second best hand planers is Dewalt DCP580B 20 volts cordless hand planer. If you want a cordless electric hand planer, one of the best ones you can go for is the Dewalt DCP580B. The planer comes equipped with a brushless motor for maximum power efficiency and runtime. Brushless motor of the electric hand planer provides power and runtime. The hand planer featuring 30,000 cuts per minute achieves a fast removal rate. Precision machine front and back aluminum shoes ensure parallelism of cut. The DCP580B features a brushless motor for maximum efficiency that helps to maintain speed under load. With a no-load speed of 15,000 revolutions per minute, the planer produces up to 32,000 cuts per minute, ensuring the smoothest finish on the material you're working on. It comes with a precision finished front and back aluminum shoes for uniform and parallel cuts, and a kickstand to allow you rest the tool on the material you're planning without ruining it. Third pick in our list is Wen 6534 Electric Hand Planer. Wen is a pretty popular power tool brand that has produced many high-rated power tools. It has powerful 8-amp motor provides up to 32,000 cuts per minute. 16 positive stops adjust the cutting depth anywhere from 0 to 1/8 inches. 2-way dust port shoots loose shavings to either the left or right depending on user preference. Includes a dust adapter, 2 fully reversible HSS planer blades, 2 V-shaped chamfer grooves, a parallel fence bracket, a rabbiting guide, an automatic kickstand. It also has a dust adapter that can be used to attach external dust collectors. The cutting is done by 2 high-speed steel reversible planer blades and 2 V-shaped chamfer grooves. Number 4 in our side is Makita XPK01Z Cordless Planer. Makita XPK01Z is one of the best cordless handheld planer available in the market right now. It is powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery that is capable of 3 1/4 inches wide and 5/64 inches deep cuts in a single cycle. The cutting mechanism consists of 2-blade cutters head that has double-edged carbide blades for better performance. The XPK01Z has a high power-to-weight ratio and has an ergonomically centered balance design, with rubberized soft grip on the front and rear handles for increased comfort on the job. The blade setting system is engineered for fast blade installation, with an electric brake for maximum productivity. The XPK01Z is engineered for door and window installers, finished carpenters, deck installers, remodelers, and general contractors seeking a best-in-class cordless planer. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best hand planers list is Makita KP0810 planer. If you're looking for an electric hand planer, then one you should definitely check out is this Makita KP0810. It comes equipped with a powerful 7.5 amp motor which delivers a 16,000 RPM no-load speed for increased stock removal. The blades that come with it are double-edged carbide blades which stay sharp for long periods of working with the planer. Ergonomics and ease of use is key when it comes to tools like this, thus the Makita KP0810 is fitted with both front and back rubberized handles to make handling very easy, and it's well balanced in the center as well. The KP0810 features a 7.5 AMP motor that delivers more output power, with a 2-blade cutter head and 16,000 RPM for increased stock removal. The KP0810 is equipped with double-edged carbide blades for added performance. Depth adjust knob features an easy-to-read scale, with click stops in 0.1 mm increments for precise depth adjustment.